Hey everyone, today we're diving into something truly exciting from OpenAI AgentKit. If you've ever dreamed of building your own AI agents to automate tasks, answer questions, or even help run your business, this toolkit is about to change the game. In this video, we'll break down what AgentKit is, explore its key features, and show you just how easy it is to get started. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just curious about AI, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump right in and see what makes AgentKit so special. Imagine having a smart AI assistant that can chat with users, gather data, and complete tasks, all without you having to write endless lines of code. That's the promise of AgentKit. No longer do you need to be a coding expert to create powerful, intelligent agents. With AgentKit, OpenAI is making advanced AI accessible to everyone, opening up new possibilities for automation and productivity. Let's take a closer look at how this works and why it's such a big deal for anyone interested in AI. What exactly is AgentKit? In simple terms, AgentKit is a platform designed to help both developers and non-developers create, manage, and improve AI agents. Think of it as a supercharged toolkit that lets you build intelligent software capable of thinking and acting on your behalf. Whether you want to automate routine tasks or build complex workflows, AgentKit provides the tools you need to make it happen, all in one place. One of the best things about AgentKit is its accessibility. You don't have to be a professional developer to get started. The platform is designed for everyone, from tech enthusiasts and hobbyists to business owners and educators. If you have an idea for an AI agent, AgentKit gives you the power to bring it to life, no matter your technical background. This democratization of AI development is what sets AgentKit apart from other tools. Start with the Agent Builder. This feature offers a drag-and-drop interface that makes designing workflows and building multiple agents incredibly simple. Instead of writing complex code, you can visually arrange components and see how your agents interact. This intuitive approach saves time and lowers the barrier to entry, making it possible for anyone to design sophisticated AI solutions. Next up is ChatKit. With ChatKit, you can easily add chat-based AI experiences to your apps or websites. This means your users can interact with your AI agents in real time, getting instant answers and support. Whether you're building a customer service bot or a virtual assistant, ChatKit makes it easy to create engaging conversational experiences that feel natural and helpful. Connector Registry is another powerful feature of AgentKit. It allows you to manage how your AI agent connects to various tools and data sources. Need your agent to pull information from a database, send emails, or interact with other software? The Connector Registry makes it simple to set up and manage these connections, ensuring your agent can access the data and tools it needs to perform its tasks effectively. Testing is crucial when building AI agents, and that's where Evals comes in. With Evals, you can test and improve your agent's performance before deploying it. This feature lets you run simulations, analyze results, and make adjustments to ensure your agent behaves as expected. It's an essential step for anyone who wants to build reliable, high-quality AI solutions. AgentKit also offers reinforcement fine-tuning, a feature that lets you customize your agent's behavior to fit your specific needs. By providing feedback and adjusting parameters, you can teach your agent to make better decisions over time. This level of customization ensures your AI agent is perfectly aligned with your goals, whether you're automating business processes or creating personalized experiences. One of the most popular uses for AgentKit is automating customer support. Imagine having an AI agent that can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide instant help to your customers 24/7. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks. With AgentKit, setting up a smart support agent is easier than ever. Another great application of AgentKit is data summarization. Your AI agent can automatically gather and summarize data or news, saving you hours of manual work. Whether you need daily reports, market updates, or research summaries, AgentKit's intelligent agents can handle it all, delivering concise and accurate information right when you need it. Need help staying organized? AgentKit can help you build smart reminders and email assistants that keep you on track. Your AI agent can send reminders, manage your inbox, and even automate routine communications. It's like having a personal assistant that never forgets and always keeps you updated. AgentKit isn't just for business, it's also a fantastic tool for education. You can create educational agents that help students learn, answer questions, and provide personalized feedback. These agents can make learning more interactive and engaging, supporting both teachers and students in new and innovative ways. One of the standout features of AgentKit is that you don't need to be a coding expert to use it. The platform's user-friendly design and visual tools mean anyone can start building AI agents right away. This opens up AI development to a much wider audience, empowering more people to innovate and solve problems with intelligent technology. Let's look at some real-world examples of what you can build with AgentKit. From automating appointment scheduling to managing inventory or even creating virtual tutors, the possibilities are endless. Businesses, educators, and individuals are already finding creative ways to use AgentKit to save time, reduce errors, and improve efficiency across the board. So why should you choose AgentKit over other AI development tools? The answer lies in its simplicity, flexibility, and power. AgentKit combines an easy-to-use interface with advanced features, making it suitable for both beginners and experts. Plus, with ongoing updates from OpenAI, you can be sure you're always working with the latest technology. Building an agent with AgentKit is a straightforward process. You start by defining your agent's purpose, then use the drag-and-drop builder to design its workflow. Next, you connect it to the necessary tools and data sources, test its performance with evals, and fine-tune its behavior as needed. In just a few steps, you'll have a fully functional AI agent ready to go. AgentKit makes it easy to integrate your AI agents into existing apps and websites. With features like ChatKit and the connector registry, you can quickly add intelligent functionality to your digital products. This seamless integration means your users get smarter, more responsive experiences without any hassle. With AgentKit, your AI agents can continuously improve over time. By using evals and reinforcement fine-tuning, you can monitor performance, gather feedback, and make adjustments as needed. This ensures your agents stay effective and up-to-date, adapting to new challenges and user needs. Security and privacy are top priorities for AgentKit. The platform is designed to protect your data and ensure your agents operate safely. With robust privacy controls and secure integrations, you can trust that your information is in good hands while your agents get the job done. OpenAI is committed to supporting AgentKit users with regular updates, helpful documentation, and a vibrant community. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or looking for inspiration, you'll find plenty of resources to help you succeed. This ongoing support ensures you're never alone on your AI journey. As your needs grow, AgentKit scales with you. Whether you're building a single agent or deploying dozens across your organization, the platform can handle it. Its flexible architecture and powerful features make it suitable for projects of any size, from small startups to large enterprises. AgentKit encourages collaboration by making it easy for teams to work together on agent development, share projects, gather feedback, and build better solutions as a team. This collaborative approach leads to more innovative and effective AI agents, benefiting everyone involved. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from AgentKit. Automate repetitive tasks, improve customer service, and gain insights from your data, all with intelligent agents tailored to your needs. AgentKit helps companies boost efficiency, reduce costs, and stay ahead in a competitive market. Educators can use AgentKit to create interactive learning tools, automate grading, and provide personalized support to students. These AI agents can make teaching more efficient and help students achieve better outcomes. With AgentKit, education becomes more engaging and accessible for everyone. For developers, AgentKit offers a powerful platform to build, test, and deploy AI agents quickly. Advanced users can take advantage of custom integrations, fine-tuning, and performance analytics to create highly specialized solutions. The flexibility and depth of AgentKit make it a valuable tool for any developer's toolkit. AgentKit isn't just for professionals. Anyone with an interest in AI can use it to experiment, learn, and build their own intelligent agents. The platform's approachable design and helpful resources make it easy for anyone to get started, regardless of experience level. The future of AI agents is bright, and AgentKit is leading the way. As AI technology continues to evolve, tools like AgentKit will make it even easier to build smarter, more capable agents. This means more opportunities for innovation, automation, and creativity in every field. Ready to try AgentKit for yourself? Getting started is simple. Sign up, explore the features, and start building your first agent. With plenty of tutorials and community support, you'll be up and running in no time. The only limit is your imagination. To wrap up, AgentKit is a powerful, user-friendly platform that makes building AI agents faster and easier than ever. Whether you want to automate tasks, enhance your business, or explore the world of AI, AgentKit has you covered. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll build an agent together step by step. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.